Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the ninth chapter of our English course book, The Recycling Rap, written by John Foster. So, first we'll study about our poet, John Foster. John Foster was born in the year 1770 and he died in the year 1843. He served as a minister for a number of years. He became a full-time writer. After becoming a full-time writer, he contributed nearly 200 articles in the Eclectic Review. Okay, some of his famous works are My First Oxford Book, My First Book of Nonsense Poem, and My First Poetry Paint Box Anthologies. Okay, now let's move on to the poem, The Recycling Rap. We all know what is a rap. Nowadays we all have heard different kinds of rap from different kind of singers and all. So basically this is a poem which we could also sing in the form of a rap. Okay, so basically this rap is about, or this poem is about recycling. Recycling means you reusing the old things. Okay, listen to me, children. Hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It's the only way. To save this planet for future generation, the name of the game is reclamation. Okay. So here the poet is asking the children that you listen to me, children, and listen to what I am saying. We must start recycling. Recycling means पुरानी चीज़ों को दोबारा से यूज़ करना, उनको नए तरीके से, जैसे पुराने पेपर से, जैसे पुराने बॉटल्स हो गए, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स हो गए, अगर हम उसको देते हैं जैसे रद्दी वालों को, तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो रद्दी वाले जाके फैक्ट्रीज में बेचते हैं और उससे नई प्लास्टिक्स या नए पेपर या जो भी कुछ दोबारा से यूज़ किया जाता है, इसको कहा जाता है रिसाइकलिंग. ठीक है. तो the poet is requesting the children that we should start recycling because it is the only way in which we could save our planet for the future generation. मतलब आगे की जो भी जनरेशन आ रही है, हम इसी तरीके से हम उसको प्लानट को सेव कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव ओनली लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज इन आवर प्लानट. ठीक है. कोल, पेट्रोलियम, ये सब जो भी हमारे फैब्रिक्स हैं, वी ऑल हैव दिस लिमिटेड एंड वी कीप ऑन यूजिंग ऑन न्यू थिंग्स. ओके, वी कीप on using them in a new manner and we don't start recycling, so one day all these resources will get over and our future generations won't get access of all these resources. Okay, so we should start recycling so that we could save this planet for our future generation. And the name of the game is reclamation. Okay, the name of this game is reclamation. What is reclamation? The process of obtaining material from waste products so that they can be reused. ठीक है. वही रिसाइकलिंग और रिक्लेमेशन बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. ठीक है. सो दैट वी द प्रोसेस इन विच वी आर मेकिंग न्यू मटीरियल्स फ्रॉम द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. ख़राब चीज़ों से जब हम उन ख़राब चीज़ों से नई मटेरियल बनाते हैं ताकि वो दोबारा से यूज़ कर सके, उसको रिक्लेमेशन या रिसाइकलिंग कहते हैं. यू हैव गॉट टू स्टार्ट रिसाइकलिंग. यू नो इट मेक्स सेंस. यू हैव गॉट टू स्टार्ट रिसाइकलिंग. स्टॉप सिटिंग ऑन द फेंस. So the poet is requesting the children that they should start recycling, as you know it is very important for all of us and it is very necessary for all of us. Again the poet says that you should start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence, means stop wasting your time and stop wasting your time idly. You should make efforts for recycling. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. Okay, now the poet further says that we should not do any more pussyfooting. What is pussyfooting? Being anxious about expressing one's opinion. मतलब ये मत सोचो कि अगर मैं ये करूँगा तो दूसरे क्या सोचेंगे. We should not think about all of those things and neither we should think about no more claptrap. Means हमें और फालतू की बातों में अपना टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना चाहिए. We should start as soon as we can do. We should start recycling. Come on and start recycling. Start today by saving old newspapers, not throwing them away. Okay, the poet says that, asks the children that come on, we should start recycling and we should start it today. And by how could we do recycling? We could save old newspaper and we should not throw them away. Don't just take them and dump them on the tip. Tie them in a bundle and put them in a skip. Okay. So, but whenever we get a paper, most of the time what do? We use that paper. After reading that paper, we put it in the tip, put it in the dustbin or something like that. Okay, अब तो ये पढ़ लिया, ये वेस्ट हो गया, इसको फेंक दो. ठीक है. But instead of that, what should we do? We should tie them we should tie them into the bundle. All the old newspapers, we should tie them into the bundle and put them into a skip. What is skip? A skip is a large container for putting rubbish. So what we can do after using, after those old what after reading this old newspaper, after tying them into bundle, we could sell into a garbage, sell them to someone who is a garbage vendor or something like that, and this garbage vendor will be selling this to the factory, and again these papers can be used into recycled into new papers. Okay, get collecting, protecting. The future is up to you. Save all your old glass bottle and your jam jars too. Okay, so the poet again ask children that they should collect and protect all those things, as the future depends on the children. And the poet further says the children that they could save their all the old glass bottles and all the jam jars, जो jam के jars होते हैं, we could also save them, take them to the bottle bank and then at the factory, then the glass can be recycled, saving energy. Now after saving all the old glass bottles and jam jars, we could take them to the bottle bank. ठीक है, bottle bank में उसको जाके, and also we know we get money in return of that. Okay, it is very profitable for also us. So after saving all these glass items, we could take these glass items to the bottle bank and sell it to there. And this bottle bank, what does this bottle bank do with all these glasses? They sell it to the factory, and in the factories again then they can be recycled and made into new glasses or new item, and thus it will also save energy. Don't chunk away the empty drink can. Remember what I said, start recycling, man. Okay, some of times what we do, we drink Coca-Cola, Pepsi or any type of soft drink, and that can in which we drink, we just throw it away. Okay, so we should not just throw it away, we should keep it and give it to any garbage vendor so that they could reuse or recycle it. And we should not just throw away the empty can. And remember, the poet further says that remember what I am saying, we should start recycling. Wash it, squash it, squeeze it flat and thin, take it to save a can and post it in. Okay, so when after drinking the soft drink, what we have the empty can, तो what we could do, we should wash the empty can, we should squash it. Squash मतलब उसको अच्छे से साफ करके, ठीक है, squash it, then squeeze it. Squeeze मतलब उसको दबा के और squeeze कर देना, उसको flat कर देना, thin कर देना, and then we could take this can to a Seva can and post it in. Seva can we don't have over here, but in metro cities a Seva can is like you can that is also a type of garbage vendor which collects all this tin materials and all those. Okay, so we could give it to a Seva can type of shops or something, vendors, so that it could be again recycled. Listen to me children, hear what I say. We have got to start recycling, it's the only way to save this planet for future generation. The name of this game is reclamation. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. Again, the poet is repeating whatever he has said in the first stanza, that again, listen to me children, what I am saying. We should start recycling because it is the only way in which we could save our planet for our future generation. And this process of recycling, the other name of the process of recycling is also called as reclamation. And we should start recycling as it is very important, and we can understand that it is very important, and we should not waste our time and any more time in this thing. We should fully use our time for recycling. We should not do any more pussyfooting. Pussyfooting means we should not be thinking that what other people will think about us, what they will think about us. We should not think about the society. No, neither we should waste our time in our stupid talks or useless talks. Okay, and we should as soon as we can, we should start doing recycling. So I hope students, you all are able to understand this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.